Alright, now let's start handling the Jenkins plugin, which is from the Jenkins Manage plugin. Okay, so here you can add, remove, install, uninstall, update, installed plugins. Okay, so you can see that we have the updates if you already have plugins installed, or the available. Now here you can see that all the available plugins, the installed, all the installed plugins will be here. You can, by the way, uninstall them. So for example, ant plugin, I can uninstall it. If you scroll down, you can see that there are things that cannot be uninstalled, like the such credentials plugin. This cannot be installed. As you look here, this plugin cannot be uninstalled. It has one or more uninstalled dependencies, and these are the plugins. So some of the plugins depends on other plugins. And if you have a look on the advanced, you can see that you can, so you don't trust, for example, Jenkins servers or whatever. You need a specific server to install your configuration or plugins. I mean, you can put the server, the port, the username, password, and this is for the proxy, and you can submit, and you can upload the Jenkins plugin from here actually, or you can update the site using a specific URL. All right, so this is for the advanced tab. All right, now let's have a look on the available plugins we have. So for example, let's put the Slack. So if I type Slack here on the search bar, you can see that we have the Slack notification, and if I click on it, it will open the plugins.jenkins.io. So this is the official documentation for the Slack notification plugin. You can read about it, how to install, how to set it up, how to use it. Yeah, as you can see, everything here in details, how to do things step by step actually. And this is something very good. Actually, I think it is very cool from Jenkins. They have a documentation for everything. And if you want it, you can just click on it, and here you can see that we have three options: install without restart, download now and install after restart, or check now. Okay, yeah, actually this is to check your available plugins. All right, so you can type Slack here. I want the Slack notification, install without restart, or download now and install after restart. Okay, so install without restart, and you can see that it is downloading. Let's wait a little bit. Now you can see that the Slack notification is success, loading a plugins extension is success. So everything is working correctly. So if I go back to the top page, and if I click on any one of the jobs on the configure and scroll down until I reach the post build actions, so you can see that we have now Slack notification added. All right, and this is something I already mentioned actually, if you remember, in the post build action lecture. So here you can see notify anything regarding this job, if it is start, success, aborted, not built, unstable, regression, every failure, back to normal, a lot of things actually. And here you can provide the credential for the token for the Slack. I mean, this is something can be generated using Slack. It's okay, you can read the documentation, everything are there. And you can put the icon emoji, the channel or the member ID that you want this to be sent to, and you can test that, by the way. And this is something very useful and very powerful actually. All right, let's return here again. Actually, we learned in this lecture about the plugins, how to install it, and without or with restart and so on. All right, okay, thanks for watching.